Hello everyone, here we will solve some questions from Zoology sections asked in GATE Life Science question paper 2025. Now let's solve the question. Now this is the question number 87, which asked the animals belonging to which of the following phyla are categorized by the segmented body. So if we see the options one by one, Annelida they show metameric segmentation. So body is actually divided into repeating segments, and this was generally found in case of earthworm, leech, and if we see this is the one of the defining character of this phylum. So presence of metameric segmentation or repetitive segments is a defining characters of the group Annelida. So this was found to be correct. Let's see the others option. In case of Nidaria, we see the Nidaria they show the radial symmetry and no segmentation. So this was wrong. If we see the Echinodermata, they also show the pentaradial symmetry and no body segmentation. So this is also wrong. Now if you see the fourth option, that is periphery, it is also wrong because this shows the cellular level of organization, cellular level organization, and no body segmentation. So option one, that is Annelida, is correct for the question number 87. Now let's see the next question. This is the question number 88, which states which of the following is the post zygotic isolation mechanism of speciation. So if we see the post zygotic isolation means post zygotic isolation, it states post zygotic isolation means it's after act after fertilization. This is main things. The post-zygotic isolations, it will be act after fertilization, or rather we can say it is after zygote formation. So keeping in mind, let's see the options one by one. Behavioral isolations, it is different. It actually shows a different mating behavior, and it is not related to post-zygotic isolations. So this was found to be wrong. If we see the fertilization failure, that means gametes cannot fuse. Gametes unable to fuse. So it is a case of before zygote formation. So this is also found to be wrong. Now, if we see the hybrid sterility is also what is hybrid? It means hybrid is formed. It means hybrid is formed but it is unable to. So zygote is formed. Zygote is formed, but unable to reproduce. It is found in case of mule. So it is a classical case of post-zygotic isolation mechanism of speciation. Here, zygote is formed but unable to reproduce. This is exactly asked in the question. So this is the correct answers. Now let's see the others. Seasonal isolation is also not correct because it is also related with a different breeding time. It is related with a different breeding time, and it is not isolated the post zygotic isolation mechanisms. So option C, it is correct for these questions. So thanks for watching.